Okay, you guys, it's that time. Well, not yet, almost. I'm almost to 2K on TikTok, and I want to do another giveaway for two people again because I just want to give back, to the people that continue to show me love and support my pages. If you're not following, I definitely recommend to follow all of my socials. I'm on literally every single platform. Repost this video, like it, share it to your friends, your family, whoever you think that will love, skincare and beauty in general. My content is mainly focused on like skincare, beauty. I try to add a little bit of lifestyle kind of things as much as I can. But yeah, so once I hit 2K, I will be choosing two people. So just follow the steps. I will have them in the description. And yeah, if you want to get your hands on some new goodies, then just continue to show me love.